All right, well, I've kind of got out of video and the cruise-ins and car shows and whatnot just because it takes a lot of time to edit, you know, kind of double videos a week. But I will make the time to go check out the Masonic show up here in Lawndale, North Carolina. It's put on by the Fallston Masonic Lodge. Went last year, pretty good time. So took pictures last year, didn't video, but I believe this year I will video. So I got the GoPro on the roof. We'll take us a little short sped up ride through the country, and let's go look at some cars.
Competition Products, your source for hardcore engine parts for street, strip, and oval track. Our free catalog is packed with hundreds of product lines from the best-known manufacturers in the performance industry. Lowest prices guaranteed. Free shipping and handling on all orders over $149 in the continental U.S. Need expert advice? Our knowledgeable staff is just a phone call away. Competition Product, race parts sold by racers since 1970.
right, before the rain comes, just kind of sort of beat this, but yeah, Fallston Masonic Lodge, pretty good show. Definitely worth checking out. That's the second time I've been to it. Went last year. I believe I said that already. But other than them only having liver mush biscuits, it's a pretty good show. But they had lunch stuff too, so that's fine. Great cars, great time. Hung out with a couple friends. The wife even showed up, which is rare. So I guess I'll close it out right here. Thanks for watching Left 4 Dead Garage. We'll see you on the next one.